Grammy kid herself.
Bless it.
Big up enough.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Look who is looking so handsome and ready to rumble. Turn around, let me see. Wicked. You see how the lunch kit attached to it? That nice, see? And this one is ready to go too. Yep. Unfortunately, Atlas is not feeling well. I had to actually pick him up from school yesterday. He got a fever in the middle of the day, out of nowhere. Luckily, he's doing much better today, but he just had a moment where he just was not feeling well. And yeah, I think I don't know if I told you guys, but a couple weeks ago, the same thing happened to Jackson and Gio. And so I think it's just his time. So I'm about to drop these guys to school, so see you in a few. And look who is up and ready to go. Good morning, you two ladies.
Say good morning, Mama.
You look nice in your red, Ivy. Ivy is supposed to come for the drive, you know, but I don't have your car seat in the car.
Ivy, can you say Mama? Oh. Can you say Mama?
Yeah.
No. Oh, man. Okay.
He's starting to knock.
Okay.
And that's what he tells his golden Spider-Man.
Got it.
Oh, God. The golden Spider-Man.
Golden Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Wow.
He just has no webs. So he just has tentacles on his back and to climb on buildings.
So guys, just so you know, yesterday was actually their first day of school, which I very unfortunately and sadly missed. But we, I think, did get some footage because I was at sunrise. So just check it out.
So you just have
I'm ready. It's been a long time, but I'm ready though, and I'm moving into my second grade, which is I'm really excited about. I love school.
Sam is coming.
Daddy, should I stop recording now? Bye guys.
Alright, mommy want all these videos. Mommy want all the videos. Alright, so Jax, you know you're responsible for this little one here, okay? Alright?
1, 2, 3 skin teeth. Yeah.
Big smile as you look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Alright, let me get
Yes.
Come in now. Yeah. Alright, good.
Alright, go on.
Alright, yeah, so we get the funding already. Your pose. Alright, good.
Okay guys, I am back home and we are going for a little walk. Bike? Hear the bike? Anyway, today is Gio's birthday, which we're so excited about. Wayne and I stayed up with him till after 12 last night to wish him happy birthday. And also last night was the opening night of Pitchy Patchy, but we're gonna get more into that later. Yesterday was the beginning of my sunrise journey, and that went really well as well. And I'm so sorry that the YouTube was down, guys. You know, these things are out of our control and they do happen. But I heard that the website was up. But yeah, I felt so disappointed by that, just as many of you did. But you know, we're working through it. The feedback has been tremendous, and we are just really happy that it is done and we got a chance to do it. So you got to see Mama on TV, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, I see Wayne calling me, so let me answer this call.
Hey, what's up, Apollo? First things first, we take out Apollo in the morning time. Dog is so smart, him cry out when him ready to go wee-wee. And like clockwork, him just do him thing outside. Hi guys, wagwan, good morning. You hear that? Yeah. Bird, nature, nice. Sweet sounds to the ears when you just wake up in the morning. Yeah guys, so I am up now. Atlas had to stay home from school. You know, Tami probably told you all about that. Last night was my first night of performing in Pitchy Patchy. Yeah, so your boy is like a proper way name them. I can put it on my ID now, so me an actor and all them something there, you see me? And it was good, Me not tell a lie, people. It was exactly how I wanted it to be, where the whole cast and the crew, everybody just feels a flow and feels like, yes, we're gonna do this and we're gonna be successful doing it. So right now we just need Uno to come sit down and come hold a vibe with we. But I mean, you guys know we'll be playing from the 7th now until the 24th. Yeah? So Wednesday to Sunday from now until the 24th. So you guys can come check me out, buy a ticket. Come in, man. Come in, bring the whole gang. As I say, it's good family entertainment. There's something for everybody in it, and it's not what you would expect of, like, it's not a typical play. So just come to see why I said that, why it's different, why it's unique, why it's innovative, why it's genius. Yeah, so big up Ray and the director. He did a good job at pulling everything together, and the cast is ready to deliver, doing very good. The first night, I mean, it only gets better from here, you know, people, because the first night is usually the night that brings the most worry, because I haven't done it before. So I feel good. I'm not telling a lie. It's not all the time you step out into something new. Like, I was nervous last night because it was new ground for me. I'm not usually nervous before like a performance to that level. I wasn't really nervous like that, but yeah, I was kind of a little bit like just excited in a sense, you know. So yeah, we're gonna take on the day, you know, and see what is next. Let me check and see what Tami are going with. Look who came out to support us. Grammy Kid herself. Big up, you know. How you enjoy?
It was amazing.
Really? You have a favorite? You have a favorite skit? Make sure I want with me tonight. You know?
I think my favorite skit was the music part. So.
The Clash.
The Clash.
Murder. You see people have to come out and see I go on the Clash. A murder. Hot. So what's crew say? Hi MTM. Hi MTM. Pitchy patchy first night. Talk to me about it. How much out of 10? How much? Wicked. Big up the Towers crew. That is it. Yeah. Beauty and brains are do it, yes, sir. Yeah.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, guys. Hi. Bunky.
Careful.
Careful.
Why you ain't drink it like that?
Careful. I'm fever stay, Mom.
He's fine. Yeah. He says he's fine. Every time, like, this is how I know if he's good or not. I say, how are you feeling? If he's feeling good, he always says, I feel like a regular human. If he's not good, he says, I don't feel very well. But feeling like a regular human is a very good thing. But so far, so good. How are you feeling?
Yeah,
You had a good sleep?
Yeah.
As you can see, we didn't make it to the gym today, guys. No. Because we're both, I think, exhausted from yesterday.
Yo.
So yeah. What's on your agenda for today?
Well, I have a lot of stuff to catch up on because, you know, everything has just been so crazy. But yeah, we have stuff to do.
And it's Gio's birthday.
And it's Gio's birthday.
And not only is it Gio's
And
birthday,
Pepper.
it's Pepper's birthday today.
And
Auntie Cheryl.
And Auntie Cher, who works with us, it's her birthday as well. So we have 3 birthdays in the house today.
No, man.
I actually have a cake coming for Gio. So,
Okay.
yeah.
And we have
And
to
it's his
carry, like, we have to just rave with him
we're
because
gonna
we're not having
take
no
him.
big parties or anything.
No.
So today is just theme day, Gio day.
That's why we didn't even wake him up. That's why you went and took out Apollo this morning. Momo has been helping with that too. And I imagine he's gonna want some lunch at some point. I got a cake for him.
Yeah, and because I'm going to be out this weekend, evening.
I'm actually going to go and get dressed right now and go get some balloons and stuff and just like stick them in his room so maybe when he wakes up he'll just see them.
What? 18-year-olds don't want balloons in their room, bro. Like, where you living?
What do you mean? I'm 1 and 8. It's a big deal. He can do a TikTok with them.
I know, right?
I'm gonna go do that. I hope you have helium.
Yo, man, I like how you go up on the road and now say, yo, We are roll our
I
what?
told you I was going. People, you know, from 1 minute in the room, I'm going to say, I go up on the road, I'm going to get ready. It's at least 40 minutes since that.
You never said to me, say, you want to come with me or what?
You can, look here.
Remember, said me I'm showing at the evenings and I have to start my day earlier with you, you know. I have to start my interactions earlier with you, you know, darling.
Anything you want
So we can get it in.
Anyway, I'm going to Fontana, so you decide what is what.
You want me to come?
No.
My bed and everything already from last night.
Well, hurry up then.
Love you. Love you. People, she well, I want to come, you know. What? Who is she fooling?
Hurry up, man.
I mean. Well, I want to come with her.
This is something nice about balloons.
Where's the cake?
I wanted to put them on your room. I was like, I hope he's still asleep.
Big 18 there with a balloon.
Leave him. I like it. I love them.
So hold on there, I forgot to draw for them when we are cut cake, you know. Wormtail. Who knows?
Seriously. Ruin everything.
If I might get balloon, they must get cake.
No.
I don't understand why you think that these things are like appealing surprises to 18-year-olds.
See, he didn't think he was getting a cake. Because when they're 18, they think, oh, cha,
Nobody knows business with
you're
them
the
again.
worst.
Happy birthday, Gio. MTM family help us wish him happy 18 is a big milestone birthday.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, drop in the comment section, wish him happy birthday.
Thanks for all the birthday wishes, all the well wishes. I really appreciate it. It means a lot, guys, truly. Big milestone. And I'm going to continue to make you guys proud. That is it.
That is it.
Oh, it's a front foot, you know.
You saw this? Yeah, he did a barrel.
It's a front foot.
Ah, you got it.
Can I get a second foot?
Yeah.
It's a really front foot. When are you filming that? So if you go,
Guys, we're still doing this at 18, right?
Peekaboo. What? Kitty. Oh yeah, I suppose I forgot I was looking. Bam, bam, bam. 3. No, you're on the wrong side.
You want to dance?
Hop,
You want to dance?
step.
You want to
Beautiful.
dance?
That was it.
Come dance.
That was it. Down. And then
Look who want to dance.
up, down. Beautiful. Good job, Ivy. Hey, kitty. Up, cross. You trying, Ivy? Come on.
Hi, Spooky. Hi, Spooky. Got PE today? With Coach? Wow.
He did some VR things.
You did VR stuff? Whoa.
And my VR shirt.
Oh, cool.
Like I did running around my friends. Like I did. Like I did that.
Oh man, it was a good day?
Yeah.
Ah, excellent.
And with Jackson.
Jackson soon come home. He's still at school.
That's good. When he comes back, you pick him up.
Yeah.
Then that's why I wanted to stay at home.
Okay, we're taking you home now. That's the only tricky thing now is that we have different pickup times.
What?
But we'll make it work.
Hey, Bookie. You don't feel like yourself?
Oh no.
You feel like you're walking on a cloud?
Yeah.
Cause you don't come out of the room from morning.
I haven't come out of the room since 2 days ago.
Happy to have you out now though. What?
I think my sickness is gone.
Alright.
I feel like a normal person again.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Blessed testimony. Fala, fala. Fala, 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 yeah.
Mommy, I feel like a normal person.
You do?
Yes.
But I saw the dengue vibe going on.
Yeah. You think this
It come in waves. Yeah. And it's the same thing happened to Gio, same thing happened to Jackson.
Yeah. You guys didn't even know when that happened to them, you know? At one point, this is not a lie, Jackson had to go on a drip and Gio had to go on a drip. The two of them. Yeah, that's why sometimes you know people always say XYZ, but there's so much that happens behind the scenes that you guys don't even think.
That was last week.
Or the week before. It was a week before. Momo.
Some little dirty dengue mosquito bite around here. Them trying to bite my little daughter.
If she ever sick me, that
If she ever sick, I ball.
Oh, mama.
But she never really sick yet.
No, stop. She must have a strong resistance to it and can fight anything in body.
Yeah.
I feel like a normal person again.
Come on, feet.
Ivy, your mother predicts say you're going to walk this week. You have a couple more days to go.
Come on, feet. You
Don't
can
let
do
her
it.
down.
Come on, feet. You can do it. You can do it, feet. You can do it, feet. Come on, feet. We are made for walking. And that's just what I'll do. One of these days, these feet are gonna walk all over you. Okay guys, we are about to get some lunch. We picked up Jack's and we are gonna get one of Gio's favorite lunches. I don't think we've actually had this food since he's been back, so it's gonna be fun. What you done? Ready? 5, 6.
You know this food dance.
It's not gonna give me indigestion.
Man.
Why?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gio.
Happy birthday to you and many more. May the good Lord bless you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.